My name is Dheeraj. I am studying 8th class in Mathman School. Today we are reading editorial page and the topic is Thundercut. We'll start it. Government statement about bringing a law on the cryptocurrencies is welcome as it could put the end to the assisting ambiguity over the legality and these currencies in India and the vagueness exists notwithstanding to the fact that government has from time to time suggested that it does not consider them to be legal tender. It has not, however, been able to channel these understandable disapproval arising out of the fact that such currencies are highly volatile used for the illicit internet transactions and wholly outside to ambit the state of in 2018 and the RBI did send a circular to banks and the directing them to provide the services from these trading and from these tradings, but this was eventually set aside to the Supreme Court, which found to the circular disproportionate given to the central bank has constantly maintained to the virtual currencies that are banned in India. Also, the RBI could not show to the entities that the regular were adversely impacted by the exchanges dealing to virtual currencies. The Minister and the State for the Finance, Anurag Thakur, who on the Tuesday confirmed to the Rajya Sabha that bill was in the offing and highlighted the complexity in regulations. He said the regulatory bodies like RBI and SEBI etc. also does not have a legal framework to directly regulate the regulate they are neither currencies not assets or securities or commodities issued by the identifiable user. The legal ambivalence has not, however, been able to prevent from having a growth of the clientele in India. Their attraction may not glow now. They given that the most well known as also most valuable Bitcoin has hit new peaks to the price and gain influential followers such as Tesla founder Elon Musk. Uh, so, what will be Bill seek to do? Those associated with this, but growing to the ecosystem will be worried about the questions the most. Exchanges which has sprung up and are reportedly lobbying with government to make sure these currencies are regulated rather than banned outright. Smart regulations is preferable as a ban on something that is based to the technology of a distributed ledger cannot be implemented for all particular purposes. This is today's editorial page. Thank you.